Hey everyone, this is Rose and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be a video on the most recent box I've gotten from Influenster. And before I get into the product and the campaign of this box, I'll talk about Influencer really quickly. I'll link my playlist up in the cards. I think it's this side. Basically, it's a program for you if you're interested in being sent free product for review purposes. And you don't necessarily have to have a large social media following. Of course, that does help. But that basically sums up Influencer. You have to be really, if you join, you do have to fill out like a lot of quizzes to earn points and badges and stuff like that. But once you're in, you're in. And I would say I get about a box each month, and I've been a member of it for I don't even know how many years now, at least 4 years. It's a really great program. It used to be invite only, but it's not anymore. It's open to the public. So I'll link their website down below in case you're interested in joining. And so, the latest box I got was actually from Kat Von D. And I think this is technically the second Kat Von D box that I've gotten, so I want to thank Kat Von D for allowing me to participate in this campaign. But anyway, everything came in this box. I was sent 2 products from a new brow line. Just to show you what it says: vegan, made with love, not animals, hashtag cruelty free, hashtag KVD brows, hashtag Kat Von D Beauty at katvondbeauty.com. I will of course link her information down below, but a very beautiful box. And then I was actually sent her pomade brow brush and her brow pomade. And so, and this box is actually really good illustration, actually right here. This is a good indicator of, now she has 16 shades, which, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh yeah, these are all 16 of the shades that her brow pomade comes in, which I think is pretty cool. And then I got this information booklet right here. Yeah, this is what the information card says, and it basically talks about the 3 new products and when they actually launched. She also came out with a brow precision pencil and a brow struck dimension powder, which I only have the pomade. And then this is pretty neat because right here she actually has a shade guide on if your hair color is this, then she recommends this color pomade along with that color brow pencil and the powder. So, and then the back of it has a neat little tutorial on how to draw on brows, which I think is pretty good, pretty informational if you're, you know, a noob when it comes to stuff like that. But I'm gonna quickly get into the products I got. I got her number 70 pomade brow brush, which this is the box that it came in. And it has a picture of the brush on the back. Now I know this retails for 18 bucks. And then here's the actual brush. Everything, as you can see, was wrapped in plastic. I think I only own one of her brushes, but this actually feels really nice. Kind of like a fancy, old school, you know, the pens that were used back in the colonial days that were like put in the inkwells. Has a really nice tip. But this is the brush right here. And then this is the pomade. The pomade retails for 19 bucks. Now at the time that I signed up for this campaign, dark brown was already like gifted out. And actually I was glad because I actually prefer to use taupe on my brows, and I've been using that on purpose for the last couple of years. Just because my brows are normally pretty large and in charge, and to me they're not as distracting when they're a lighter taupe color. But Kat Von D, she always does a great job with her packaging. It's very detailed, very intricate. That's what the lid looks like. And then this is the actual jar. And then you can see that I have the taupe color. And I've actually been using this for a couple weeks now, so you'll see that I've put quite a dent in this already. I can already tell that this is gonna last me for a while, even though it's only good for 6 months. I'm probably gonna make it last longer. This has 5 grams, 0.18 ounces, so. But anyway, how do I feel about the product? I'm gonna quickly cut to, it's gonna be a montage of me applying it, and then I've tested it out in 3 different situations. First one was I went running outside in the hot, humid weather of Georgia. I ran 4 miles with it on and just show you what was left of it when I was done. And then the second scenario I show you is the state of it after I've taken a shower, of washing my hair, and water dripping down my face. And then the last little clip that I'm going to show you is what it looked like after I took a spontaneous 5-hour nap and slept with like my hand and my forearm on my face. I do like this product. Now, I feel like if you're extremely oily like me, that kind of inhibits the true power of the product. Because I find on me, even though I've not tested wearing it for 24 hours, it does not last for 24 hours. As you can see from the clips, like after I went running, after I showered, it wore down. But even, you know, at the end of my work day, which could be 12 to 16 hours, I sometimes have to touch up like the corners because due to my oiliness, blotting my face, whatever, it does wear down. Now, I'm sure it probably would work a lot better with the brow powder, but you know, she advertises these as being usable alone, so. And then I do have to say, there's another brow product that I love. Once I get done using this, I will go back to it. That really is truly long wearing. I'm not going to say what it is because I'm sure it's going to be featured like in my next favorites or in a video of its own. But anyway, it's not a bad product. If you're extremely oily like me, I would probably recommend something else. If you're not, I think it will work well for you. So if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down below. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become part of my random family. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon. But I just want to touch lightly on the fact that she's being discussed right now due to her personal beliefs on vaccines. The only thing that I have to say about that is I don't agree with her viewpoint, but I have friends that I know, personal, like really good friends who share the same viewpoint that she does. And I respect their opinions, even though I don't necessarily agree. And so I honestly have the same feelings about hers. And so I'm not about to like boycott using her product because I actually use quite a bit from her line, and I really do like her product. Maybe it's because I don't have children of my own, I don't know, but just her viewpoint on what's being discussed right now, it's not enough to deter me from using her product. So, and that's all I have to say.